Hello guys, for today we are going to be working on math. So locate your calendar and look for Friday's assignment. I know we are Tuesday, but we don't have our new packets yet. So we're going to work on this particular assignment, a day of work, page 92. So let's move on to 92, page 92. It should be the last worksheet on your packet. Let's see, and it should look like this. So it says, Tamara, a day of work, directions, draw hands on the clock. So Tamara comes to work at 8. So at 8, draw your hands here. Remember, small hands equals hour, longer hands equals minutes. And Tamara leaves work at 4:30. So for this clock, again, 4:30, draw your hands here. And another question. Tamara starts work at 8. She has a coffee break 2 hours later. A coffee break 2 hours later. What time does she take her coffee break? At 9, at 10, or at 11? So from 8 a.m., we are going to count 2 hours later. So is it 9, is it 10, or is it 11? Let's count from 8 plus 2. Circle your answer. And this is it for today's assignment. We're going to be waiting on the new packet.